Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. I'm going to just do one actual full wig review today instead of the hair mail like I've been doing. Just a lot of wigs to do in one, and I feel like I'd rather give you a full detailed wig review and then have another video where I sort of make the wig mine, install it, and then do an end of day summary. It's just too much with too many, and they're ending up being too long. So this is another wig that I got from Beauty Nook. Again, Beauty Nook, download the app. They do live sales on Fridays. You'll get great bargains on the wigs that they display, and you got to catch them then. Wig support. So go and sign up and join us on Facebook. I'm in that group as well. So this one that I have, what I have on is one of the ones I did the other day. This is Mackenzie from Estetica in Caramel Kiss. And we have here Reeves in the same color, Caramel Kiss as well. Almost like a sister wig. She looks very similar. Some of the same wave that she has. And then she has Caramel Kiss. Let me take it in a little bit. You can see my lighting is good. So the Caramel Kiss is a golden brown with light copper blonde highlights. So that's the Caramel Kiss. And this is Reeves. I'm going to show you her cap. Isn't she gorgeous though? Look at the waves here. Definitely not curls. They're not beachy waves. Just beautiful. And now Reeves is from the Classique Collection, which features the pure stretch cap, which allows for better air, open wefts, more air circulation, more stretchiness along, and it stretches the full perimeter, and you have a thin wefting, again, for a lighter weight and more air circulation. So she does have a full nape. She has the kind of clips that I'm not that crazy about, that kind of clip in, but it's not too bad. Open weft again, better air circulation. And now she doesn't, her ears are just a little, sort of like that little tiny open ear. Good for ear, your glasses. She does not have lace, but just the basic cap. But again, it is all open weft for better air circulation. Okay. Now, I'm going to take off Mackenzie so we can put on Reeves. And I have, again, I wear the Milano Wig Grip. I put it back a little bit because I want this part here to be flat, and I don't want this, bunted right up here, but I want it to be able to secure my wig. But I like, especially when I don't have a lace. Mackenzie did have a lace, but when I don't have a lace like we do with Reeves, I want this to lay flat. So I'm just gonna give her a good shake, like I always do, and then just put her on. I love doing that part. The shake definitely shook her up. She does have metal stays within these the air tabs here, so that's good. And now let's see where does Reeves want to part, and then I will talk you through some of what she has. Now she's very similar to Mackenzie, but a few key differences. So she is full of permatease up here. Okay, so Reeves, full of permatease. Mackenzie, no. Now, the measurements on Reeves, she has a bang of 6.5. Her crown is 12. Her nape is 11.5. So if the nape from the back here down is 11.5. Her side is 9.5, and she weighs 4.9 ounces. Now she is gorgeous too. Kind of wish now that I got maybe a different color. I do love this color, but I like to have a couple styles in different colors. Now, she has more layers in here, I would say, than Mackenzie, right? Definitely a fuller look. I don't feel like there's much, here, let me just fix this a little bit. I don't feel like there's much you would need to do to her either to wear her. Let's just fix that a little bit. Really kind of finger comb her. Now, if you like lots of permatease up in here. You see how it's getting? Lots of permatease. Now, for the long ones, I don't really feel like I need or like a lot of permatease, right? But she's got a nicer, let's see, she's got a fringe in here, you see, and then she's got a couple of additional, let me see, I don't think I got this in right. Yeah, so she's good right there. Now, she doesn't have the lace, but if you look, it's not bad at all. Like, you could still do probably, oh, not if you're showing my, but you can still probably clip a few things up. So let's see what she says. There's a really beautiful description of her. So it says she's beautiful, loose flowing waves combined with soft layering creates Reeves' undone, enticing look. This graceful yet flirty style is just so versatile and right for any need or any mood or occasion. And that's what I definitely feel like. Like, I don't, see, I can wear her to work every day because her bangs are not going to be falling down on top of me, right? Let me give you the side looks. Oh, she's gorgeous. I love it. So here she is on the side. Here she is on the back. And then the other side. So she's pretty. This is Reeves. What do you guys think? This is Reeves from Estetica in Caramel Kiss. Now, they don't give code numbers for the Caramel Kiss. They just gave the description that I read. All right, that's it. A nice, quick, short one. This is Reeves from Estetica, and I'm gonna record, next coming up is Finn from Estetica. Thank you. Thanks so much for joining. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.